This tutorial will show you how to download the GSU VPN client for Windows 10. The first thing you're going to need to do is open up a web browser. In the address bar, you're going to need to type gsuvpn.govst.edu. Click Enter. Please note that you can only download the GSU VPN when not connected to the GSU network. From the drop-down, make sure the group says Faculty Staff and enter your GSU username and GSU password. Then click Login. There'll be two buttons on the left-hand side, a Home button and an AnyConnect button. Click AnyConnect. In the middle, there will be a Start AnyConnect button. Click Start AnyConnect. In the middle of the page, it'll say Download for Windows. Click the Download for Windows button. AnyConnect is now downloading to your machine. When it's completed, click the up arrow and click Open. This will open the AnyConnect installer. To move through the wizard, click Next. You will then need to accept the license agreement by clicking the I accept radial button. Then click Next. Then you'll need to click Install. You will then receive a pop-up asking, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Click Yes. It is now installing the Cisco AnyConnect. When it's completed, click Finish. You can now log out of the GSU VPN online. Then close the browser and you'll need to go to your Start menu. Scroll down to C for Cisco and open the Cisco folder and click Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. The first time you log in, you're going to need to make sure that you type in the GSU VPN server name. So you type gsuvpn.govst.edu on the line and click Connect. You'll then receive a pop-up asking for your username and your password. Click OK. You'll then receive notification that the Cisco AnyConnect is indeed connected to the network. And now you are VPN'd from a Windows 10 device.